The phone that just doesn't ring, the leak that nobody's fixed. It's just went through the screen door, 'cause you ain't around no more. But sometimes I still think it's you. Seems all I've been listening to is the sound of you gone. It keeps playing on like sad country gold. It stays in your soul, won't leave you alone. The silence is ringing loud, and I just can't drown it out. Maybe I could move on if I could turn off the sound of you gone. I hear the new neighbors laughing. Damn, it reminds me of us. So I turn up the TV to tune out the memory, but that noise don't change anything. I can't stop listening to the sound of you gone. It keeps playing on like sad country gold that stays in your soul, won't leave you alone. The silence is ringing loud, and I just can't drown it out. Maybe I could move on if I could turn off the sound of you gone. Yeah, I take the sound of our first stupid fight, the rustling of covers that kept me up through the night. Anything's better than the lonely that I'm hearing now. The sound of you gone, it keeps playing on like sad country gold. It stays in your soul, won't leave you alone. The silence is ringing loud, and I just can't drown it out. Maybe I could move on if I could turn off the sound of you gone. Maybe I could move on if I could turn off the sound